So hello everyone and welcome to this round of EdTalks. We have with us Pranav Pande from Simon Fraser University, ranked number 1 among the comprehensive universities, right?
Correct.
So Pranav, let's say we have a student who's interested primarily in computer science, but he also is extremely interested and passionate about music.
Yeah.
So does Simon Fraser University have something like this to offer?
It looks very weird combination, but it's very interesting to tell you about SFUs. This type of combination is, actually accepted. So, as the student, the unique that they are, they can actually create their unique degree from SFU. So definitely they can do a lot of combination with the major minors. Of course, the major will be on their core subjects, but another thing is if they're interested in music, maybe in dance, maybe in environmental science, so they can actually combine those subjects to complete their degree at SFU, and that's the reason students choose having the in-depth knowledge about other sectors also, other faculties as well.
Now, parent will ask, what is the point in combining computer science and music? So,
see, I'll give you the best example from my side. The business was new, so business program. So I started with my career from BBA. Then I did my MBA. But I'm having my passion to having in music, and playing instruments and all. But that somehow students get diverted from their actually passions. So in that case, what happened here at SFU, they can enjoy their passionate things also. They can go into the they follow their passions. At the same time, they complete their degree where they want to excel their career in their in their future. So that's the very good combination that students can get.
yeah, I suppose they could also combine music with the digital or computer science, or using it in technology.
Yes.
And I think they could even make it into a profession of theirs if the opportunity like that exists.
Absolutely. So they in future they can go with that profession also, and they actually widen their scope.
Right.
Not like limited to the computer science thing, but they can even develop their passion, and they can work in that with the entrepreneurship and startups. They can work with the startups, and they can innovate something out of it. So really that helps.
Okay, so I think Canada talks a lot about cooperative education, and SFU is also known for a lot of its co-op education.
Absolutely.
So would you like to comment on that?
Right. So we do have around 360 plus programs at SFU, from arts to sciences, biomedical science, business, and each and every program, student has an opportunity to go for the co-op, and that is minimum 12 months co-op they can do within their graduation degree, 4 years of bachelor's degree, right? Engineering, we have a compulsory co-op options, but at the same time, even the art students from even the philosophy, psychology, they can go with the co-op, and they can get paid for it. And the best part is, after completion of their degree, they're no longer a fresher. They are having certain skills, their hands-on experience that will definitely help them to achieve their next goal, to getting into the corporates, right? And we have a alumni network of 2 lakh students across the world. So they have an opportunity to work not only in Canada, but also in US, even in India, China, and Southeast Asia region as well.
So it's a global cooperative education.
Yes.
Fantastic.
And that's how our Career Development Center helps our aspirants to achieving their co-op opportunity specific goals.
Thank you so much, Pranav. That was great listening to you.
Yeah, thank you so much.